Good morning, children. So last class we studied about slope. So these three are the formulas for slope. I told you already. Write these three formulas in the right hand side at the corner, at the top corner. Okay, it will be easy for you to learn the formulas. Okay. Now slope formula: m is equal to tan theta, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Again slope m is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Next, parallel perpendicular. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. That is m1 equal to m2. Perpendicular condition. If two lines are perpendicular, their slopes, product of their slopes is minus 1. That is m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Next, collinear condition. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. This condition is for this exercise. Previous exercise we studied area of triangle equal to 0. Right? Come to the exercise. Now question number 4. What is the slope of a line perpendicular to the line joining the given 2 points? What is the slope of a line perpendicular to the line joining these 2 points? See, 4, 2 minus 6, 4. I plot the points here in the graph. 4, 2 minus 6, 4. I plot the points here and join the points. Okay. So, we want to find the slope of a line perpendicular to this line. This is a line. I draw one perpendicular line to this line. Okay, we want to find the slope of this line. Find the slope of a line perpendicular to the given line. So, if you consider the slope of the given line, this line as m1 and this perpendicular, slope of this perpendicular as m2. Perpendicular condition m1, m2 equal to minus 1. Now, we are going to find the slope of the first line. Okay, so 2 points are given. If 2 points are given, what is the slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, substitute the values. 4 minus 2 by minus 6 minus 4. So 4 minus 2, 2, minus 6 minus 4, minus 10. If you simplify, you will get minus 1 by 5. What is the condition for perpendicular? m1, m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 is minus 1 by 5. m2 is the slope which we want to find for the perpendicular line. This slope we consider it as m2. So m2 is we have to find. So minus 1 by 5 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m2 is equal to minus 1. This will come this side as its reciprocal. So the answer is plus 5. Minus 1 into 5 by minus 1. Minus into minus plus 5. Next question number 5. So that the given points are collinear. Suppose in the exam if they ask so that the given points are collinear. So we can use area of triangle equal to 0, condition number 1, or the second condition, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Anyone we can use. Suppose if they ask using the concept of slope or using the concept of area of triangle, you have to use the particular method. So don't get confused. If they didn't mention anything, you can use any method which is easy for you. Okay. Now 3 points are given. We want to prove these 3 points are collinear. Okay. So now I give the names A, B, C, P, Q, or whatever you want you can give. A, B, C. The first point as A, second one as B, third one as C. Okay. Now we are going to use slope concept. Slope, write the formula once. Slope equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. First take AB because we are going to prove slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Then only the points are collinear. Okay. So you know what is collinear? 3 points lie on a straight line. So that I am going to find the slope of AB first. So slope of AB, write the point A and B here. Mention it as x1 y1, x2 y2 and find slope of AB. Okay. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 2 minus minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 3. Minus into minus plus. So 2 plus 4 by 7 plus 3, that is 6 by 10. If you simplify, you will get 3 by 5. This is slope of AB. Next is slope of BC. Write down the points B and C, 7 to 12, 5. Write down the point B and C. Mention it as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now slope of BC is equal to y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2 by x2 minus x1, 12 minus 7. So again 3 by 5. See, this is 3 by 5. This also 3 by 5. So slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Hence the given points A, B and C are collinear. Don't forget to recall all the formulas. Next question number 6. If the 3 points are collinear, find the value of A. Previous question they gave 3 points and we have to prove that 3 points are collinear. But in this question they gave 3 points are collinear. We have to find unknown value A, right? So there we proved slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Here the condition is given slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So first take the points, consider the point as A, B, C. Take the point A and B, x1, y1, x2, y2. Then write the slope formula and find the slope of AB. So 3 minus of minus 1 by A minus 3. Okay, so 3 plus 1, 4 by A minus 3. This is slope of AB. Next, take the point B and C. Slope of BC. Minus 3 by x2 minus x1. 1 minus A. That is minus 6 by 1 minus A. The question it is given that the points are collinear. So what is the meaning? Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So using this we are going to find the value of A. So what is slope of AB? 4 by A minus 3. What is slope of BC? Minus 6 by 1 minus A. So we are going to equate these two and cross multiply. 4 into 1 minus A is equal to minus 6 into A minus 3. So multiply 4 inside the bracket. 4 minus 4A is equal to minus 6 into A minus 6A. Minus 6 into minus 3. Same sign plus multiplication, same sign plus. So plus 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now bring 6A here, plus 6A. This minus 4A. A alone keep it in the left hand side. And bring the constant to the right hand side. Plus 4 comes this side as minus 4. So 18 minus 4, 14. 2A is equal to 14. So the value of A is 7. Okay. Now here we have write the condition that slope of AB equal to slope of BC. So we can write slope of AB equal to slope of AC also, or slope of BC equal to slope of AC. So all the three slopes will be equal. Slope of AB, BC, AC. All the three slopes will be equal. So any two slopes we can equate. No problem, we will get the same answer. Question number 7. The line through the points has slope minus 1 by 2. The line joining these 2 points has slope minus 1 by 2. So slope is minus 1 by 2. Find the value of A. First write the points. Mention as x1, y1, x2, y2. What is given? Slope is minus 1 by 2. So slope is equal to minus 1 by 2. What is slope? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to minus 1 by 2. So what is y2 minus y1? 3 minus A by 9 minus of minus 2. So 3 minus A by 9 minus of minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So 3 minus A, 9 minus into minus plus 2. That is 11. Now again cross multiply. 2 into 3 minus A is equal to minus 1 into 11. So multiply 2 inside the bracket. 2 3s are 6. 2 into minus A minus 2A is equal to minus 11. Minus 2A is equal to minus 11. 6 will come this side as minus 6. So minus 17. So A is equal to minus 17 by minus 2. It is plus 17 by 2.